500S Sherrod. Is that some special version?
So it's a kit that was put on a company in Georgia that make them. We don't know how many there are in the country, the UK. We think there's 2.
Okay.
So it comes with side exit exhausts, side scoops, bonnet scoops.
Nice. Supercharger, obviously.
Got a supercharger in there as well.
Ate some flies.
Yeah.
Very good. Can you pop the bonnet so you can see what's underneath? So power-wise, how much it makes?
So it's around 550 at the wheels.
All right.
With, we think, about 800 foot-pound of torque.
Nice.
So it goes quite well. Obviously, that's the V8 pulling us along.
Nice.
Nice big supercharger on there. The scoop is not in use. That was taken out when the supercharger was put on. So no force there.
All right.
Yeah.
What about supporting mods? Like any brakes, suspension?
Pretty much standard all round. It's got Ford Racing springs on it only, lowered 20mm, nothing fancy.
Yeah.
Slightly bigger brakes they had put on it.
Advanced sport tires.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sitting on Yokohamas all round.
Yeah.
It's never been on a track.
All right.
So.
First time, huh?
Let's see what it can do.
All right.
Straight line speed only with me.
Yeah. Well, we'll take some corners, but don't go too crazy.
Yeah, it's very low.
Yeah.
Careful on the carousels.
All right. Sounds good. Let's go. All right. Horrible. I mean, it's still classic Mustang. I mean, of course, modern classic.
She's heavy.
Yeah.
it as well. Do you want some AC?
Yeah, maybe.
Needs harder springs.
Yeah. Oh, he's standing still.
Nice. Come on, mate. Not as bad as I thought.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Should be alright. Oh. Power steering is kind of gone.
Yeah.
It felt like. Maybe it's, I don't know. Oh, weird. No, it's back.
It's back.
Yeah. be cautious because the brakes were not, well, stock, so you need to make sure you can still get home.
It handles better than what I thought though. I mean, it's heavy.
Yeah, it handles also better than what I thought, but you can clearly feel so much difference, of course, compared to like today's platform.
Yeah, of course,
Because we have this S650, like the Dark Horse.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's day and night difference.
Wow.
But nice.
Yeah.
Wonder if it got banned for sound or something.
Possibly, yeah.
Oh no.
Okay. Do they pull you in there?
Yeah, they would tell you. Yeah, based on your license plate. So
Right.
I guess we're right.
That's surprising.
Yeah. Well, then it's not too loud, which is good. Nice. Oh, happy we made it.
Yeah, that's brilliant. How did the gears feel? Clunky?
Yeah, long.
Yeah.
There's lots of like second gear corners even.
Yeah, yeah.
Fifth you cannot even use when you shift it up. It's just way too long into overdrive gear. So yeah, it could use like a shorter ratio gearbox for track purposes. For daily, it's of course great. You put it in fifth and you're like cruising.
1,000 miles, big long straight road in America, lovely.
Yeah, because how old is this car? Like
it's 2008.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, almost 20 years.
Yeah.
Well, 17. So.
Yeah, but it's very, very low mileage as well. So it barely gets driven. You never get bored of that.
Of course not.
No.
Nice. Yeah, thanks a lot. Good fun.
Thank you. Yeah. It's great.